Hi, I'm Natalie of SewHungryHippie.com, and today I'm going to show a really quick tutorial on how to use our handy dandy new zipper pocket template. So let's go overhead and I will show you exactly how to use this. First up, I made little Sharpie thingies because I have a harder time seeing on these things at this age in my life. So I used my Sharpie and I just marked the center of the ruler. We were going to take off all the brown paper, but Ramel made a great point that maybe you wouldn't be able to see it. So that's why I've left my brown paper on for this tutorial. This, we are pretending, is the top portion of the Santorini tote pattern. And what I'm gonna do is fold it in half and make a centering crease. Then I'm gonna take my acrylic ruler and place my middle marks right on that centering crease. And then the magic of this is I can count out. I know that my zipper window needs to be 11 inches long, right? Or is it 10 on the Santorini? I don't remember. Let's just say it's 10 inches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So while this ruler is in place, I start from the center and I go over to the 5 mark. And I draw down and over. And then I'm going to count out this way, and the markings are on here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here's the end of the window while the ruler is still in place. And boom, there is the zipper rectangle box that we need for the 4 zipper pockets that are in the Santorini tote pattern. Now you can use this with any pattern you want to. It doesn't have to be just Sew Hungry Hippie patterns. The beauty of this is we made it large enough so that hopefully it'll cover even the biggest bag zipper pockets. If your zipper pocket is only, let's say you only need to go out 3 inches. There you go. There's 3 inches. And then we're gonna go this way 3 inches and down and in. And there is the size for the Lola bag by Swoon. So it's very, very adaptable to many different patterns, and it will help you get those precise, straight rectangles. And remember, if this is sliding on you at all, we have these non-slip grippy dots in the shop as well. And you would just put it on the side that doesn't have the etchings, because that goes down. And then you can see your etchings to measure out your zipper pocket window. Is this fabulous or what? We have these in stock now. There's a limited number. Once this first round sells out, we'll order again. So if you see that it's sold out, just hit the notify me and I will let you know when they're back in stock. So there we are. Have fun making zipper pockets. And you know what? Something to remember, the more zipper pockets you do, the better you get. So when I teach a class, I have the students make the lining zipper pockets first, so you have a little bit of practice, and then we do the exterior pockets. So there's your second tidbit of the day. All right, take care. Peace, love, sewing.